Hi, let me show you how to change hotspot name on iPhone 16e. So, let's start by opening Settings. Here in Main Settings, you need to find General tab and then pick this first section About. So, if you want to change your hotspot name, then you will need to change name of your iPhone itself. For that, go in Name section and just rename it. So I'm gonna add this red heart emoji and click Done to confirm. And now it will be saved for Bluetooth devices, for your phone and for hotspot. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.